Hey guys, and I'm roller. No, stop. I'm roller skating. Yes, I'm recording. I'm in a school field trip. And I'm not lying. I'll show you. I'm using rollerblades, but I am in a school field trip. It's for roller skating. I'm not supposed to be recording, but I'm recording. And Angel and Justin also came. Hi guys, I am back. I know you guys saw me roller skating, but it wasn't that much. But you guys saw a little bit. And right now, the title of the name is What's Inside a Ball? You guys want to know what's inside a ball? Well, let's find out. So, oh my god, my camera's dirty. I'll be back. I think the camera is better now. Okay, look. This is a normal soccer ball. Orange, and it looks really normal. This is another normal soccer ball, right? Now the question is, what's inside a ball? What's inside of it? Oh yeah, it's obviously a ball. But you want to really know? I don't know if you guys remember this ball. But you guys know this ball, right? Look what's inside.
Because
this is what's inside.
Because first there was like a hole.
There's a big hole in there, and this is what's inside a ball. A soccer ball, actually.
And you know what I'm gonna do with it?
No, I want you to rip it more too, so we can take it out. Okay.
Wait, agarrar la pelota.
I'm pulling you. Come on, Yara, come on. It won't come off because it's glue. Okay, wait.
Wait, I have a perfect idea.
Why don't you record me? Because I know what I'm going to do. But no, please, just record like this. Record like this, please. Record just like this, with one hand. Yeah, like that. Okay. Look, you guys. Don't get too close, though. Get a little bit farther. Okay. I can't take this off.
It's so hard.
Okay, I'm gonna use my hands. I'm gonna use my hands.
Brian!
This is what was holding it. Where you put the air in. That's what was holding it. Rip soccer ball. This is what's inside a soccer ball, you guys.
Yeah, please
record. Good. This is what's inside a soccer ball. Where's the hole, though? What are you recording?
I don't know.
Where's the hole?
I don't know. Rip it. And one inside in there. There's gonna be air inside, so.
Obviously, who doesn't know that? Okay, let's see.
Brian,
don't
do that.
Brian, no. Follow me, you guys. Follow me. Come here.
Okay. Okay.
So what's inside a soccer ball? Well, it's this. Now what's inside a soccer ball? Inside another soccer ball.
Bruh, what's it?
What?
It's so bouncy. You're hitting the wall too, so.
It won't pop.
You know what? One Nike, save the ball.
No, they're not. Yeah.
Please.
Smash that like button. Let's get 5 likes.
Wait, guys.
Why are you recording your nose?
Sorry, guys.
Oh my god, you should learn how to record.
Guys, if you know how to go to 6 Flags New England, there's like a soccer place, and then you need to kick it, and then tell if someone knows our house, please go.
Tell us to get another new ball.
Yeah, but the Rubik's Cube. Yeah.
That was too loud. You try to pop it out.
Pop.
Put this back.
It's already popped.
Pop, pop, pop. Ah! Stop. No, stop.
Pop it.
Okay, grab the camera. Let's see if I can, like,
Hammer.
let's see. Oh, wow. It already popped, actually.
Yeah. Okay, please like, subscribe, and...
Bruh, wait.
Okay. What?
Oh, there's the holes.
There are holes. There are holes.
Remedy?
Oh, this is
what's inside our soccer ball. Nothing.
it has
Except
a lot
this
of...
thing. This big thing.
Um,
What are you recording?
Sorry, this looks like a hat.
Okay, whatever. See you, trash.
Bye.
Thank you, guys. Like. Let's get this to 3 likes.
Or 5 likes.
No, 3. I said 3.
5.
No, you guys. I should.
You know what?
See you guys.
1 like, save my arm.
Stop saying that.
Why?
Stop.
Okay.
Your arm is already saved. So 3 likes. See you guys on the next video. Bye.